website. Looking at it, looks nice. The layout doesn't look like there's too much content. You only got 588 words. Google loves content. The more content, the better. So you'd want content with organic keywords in there, keywords that you want to rank for on Google. That's what this image is saved as. You also want these images to be saved with keywords as well. So you'd do Springfield, Ohio roofing, or roof repair, Springfield, Ohio, or you could do other cities, roof repair, Dayton, Ohio, or whatever other keywords you want to rank for. I just typed in roof repair, Dayton, Ohio. This is ads, and then here's the other ads. These ones are yet to be certified. They're supposed to be a little less spammy, and then there's these ones as well. Then there's the GMB, and then there's organic ranking. I grabbed this guy, and this is what his website looks like. He has just about as much content as you, not 592 words. So you could use some more too. So you'd probably want to do 1,000, 1,500, but it doesn't hurt to have more. The more you have, the better. He doesn't save his things right either. So he's missing an opportunity that you could that you don't have to miss if you go and save your images the correct way. Next thing is Ahrefs. In here, you can see you have a 10 URs, 0.4 DR, 45 backlinks, 8 referring domains, 1 organic keyword. Let's go put in your competitor. He's got 25 UR, 16 DR, 379 backlinks, 43 referring domains. This is not showing up right. I'll click that in a second to see exactly how many he's got. But let's go check out his backlinks first. So not all backlinks are created the same. This is just a redirect. So this must have been his old website, and it's just redirecting back to him. Maybe, I'm assuming so at least. So basically, not all backlinks are created the same. You want to make sure you get high DR and high UR scores. You don't want the spammy low number ones. You also, there's a difference between no follow and do follow. These are do follow, no follow. This is a do follow. It's also a redirect. You'll want to also make sure you go after ones that are relevant to your industry. You don't want to go after deep sea fishing when you're a roofing company. You want to go after construction, roofing, those type of web pages. But we can come in here, check out this do follow one. It's look decent, and see how this guy got it. Looks like this is just a list of different businesses. I'm not sure if these are sponsored ads or not. Let's see. We could contact and try to figure out how we can get on there. Yeah, it looks like, okay, so it looks like these people do SEO work, and so they're just trying to give some of their power to their people that they're working for. So they were just sending some of their strength to this guy. So they obviously would not want to give you any, but we could go find some other ones that would potentially give you some. Other way, we could go check out other competitors and go through all the backlinks and find a whole bunch for you. You could also go do some blog posts, guest posts, blog commenting. You can get sponsor. You can get news articles written about your company and have them give you a link back to your site. There's other ways you can do it, but you just want to make sure it's relevant to the content on the page is relevant to your industry, and it's also not spammy. Let's go check out. So it looks like this guy actually has 93 keywords and he's got 118 traffic, so that's fixed now. You can see roofing Dayton, Ohio, 40 volume, 21 KD, so it's a harder one to rank for. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. Let's see what we can find here, though. This roofing Dayton, Ohio, so it looks like more people search, they spell out Ohio instead of just the abbreviation by quite a bit more people, 110 more people. And it's even a harder one to rank for. You can rank for it. It just is harder and it takes longer. roofing, Dayton, that's another hard one. Let's see, roofing company, oh, that's another hard one. Oh, okay, Dayton roofing. So that's only a 100 people search that. So roofing Dayton, 50 people search that. It's harder to rank for, but if you flip it around to Dayton roofing, double the number of people search for that, and it's almost twice as easy to rank for on that. But that we can just come down here, roofing contractors, Dayton, Ohio, 150, 12 KD. It's not too bad. Roof repair, Dayton, Ohio, 70 people search that, 8 KD. So that's one you'd go for. But yeah, you just come down here and find all the ones that you like, the ones, and then roof repair, Dayton, Ohio. Put them back on your website through images being saved as, or in your content organically, or through anchor text with a backlink. And then you can start ranking for those keywords on Google. Citing, if you do citing, there's a couple right there, but not too much going on there. But I mean, we can go check out other companies as well and see what they're ranked for, and do some other keyword research to find them. Next thing would be the GMB. It's free to do, free to set up. Google will send you a postcard. You just verify it. I would suggest doing it if you don't already. And then make sure you fill out 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And then, I don't know why it doesn't have any photos, but photos of the content. The more photos you have, the better. You save them with keywords. And then then citations. So this guy, let's grab the top guy there, but we'll see how many citations he has. He has 51 citations. Citations are just like directories. YouTube, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook will give you them. BBB, Bing can give you them. Anywhere that will list your company name, your phone number, and your location. You want to make sure it's the exact same as on your your GMB. So you want this to be exactly the name that you use for your for every directory with the phone number and the location. And then you'll start ranking for the GMB. Hopefully that was helpful. If you want, we can set up a phone call or a video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.